In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a Notion database to Cron for a scheduled sync. This is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow by ensuring your data stays updated automatically. So let's get started by diving into the steps you'll need to take. First, it's essential to make sure you have a calendar view set up in your Notion database. This calendar view lays the foundation for future syncing and allows you to organize your data with dates easily. If you haven't already set this up, head to your Notion database and create a calendar view for your records. This visual calendar layout will help you keep track of everything efficiently and is crucial for the syncing process with Cron. Once you have your calendar view ready, the next step is to open your Notion calendar and connect your Notion workspace. This connection is vital as it allows you to facilitate the flow of information between Notion and Cron. To establish this connection, navigate to your Notion app. You'll see your calendar there, and with just a few clicks, you can hook up your Notion workspace. Ensure that you've granted the necessary permissions for seamless functionality. After connecting your workspace, it's time to add the Notion database to Notion Calendar. This step helps to integrate your data smoothly into your calendar system within Notion. Locate the database you want to link and integrate it into the Notion calendar. This setup will allow you to view and manage all relevant data in a streamlined manner. Remember, this coordination between these tools can save you an enormous amount of time. Now let's focus on managing and interacting with the synced data. This part is all about making sure everything is working properly and that you're getting the most out of your synced setup. With everything connected, you can now see your data appearing in the calendar. You'll be able to manage entries, edit details, and update your information directly from Notion, which will automatically sync following your scheduled settings. A few tips as you manage this process: regularly check for any potential sync issues by verifying your integrations are active and permissions are correctly set. Keeping your workspace organized and tidy is also important to ensure everything runs smoothly. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to seamlessly connect your Notion database to Cron for scheduled sync, simplifying your workflow and ensuring everything remains up to date without the need for constant manual updating. Thanks for watching and happy syncing.